Do you want to shop easily on the eBay app? In this video, I will show you how to shop items on the eBay app step by step so you can find great deals and buy products easily. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to eBay app. You will enter to eBay. Then here in this page, you will find this window. As you see, your eBay here, this sign of home. Then you can choose any item or product you want to buy. For example, let's choose this one. And then here in this page, as you see, if you like the item, as you see, if you want to buy it, or you can choose another thing here, and you can see the price in this sign or in this page, in this place. Then you can go to buy it now, and you click OK to fill your informations. When you add your informations on this page, then you click continue to buy this item and to add your payment information. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.